Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nashaya if you are new here. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I get my signature look. I have been getting ample amount of compliments and questions on how I be my face. So this is that video. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. I'm from the city. Hey my loves, in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I do my signature beat. I have been getting so much love on how I do my base, how I do this, how I do my eyebrows. My base is eating, my face is giving, and this is the video for that. This is how my makeup used to look. Yeah, she's giving very much crunchy. I am by no means a professional makeup artist, but I do know how to be my own face and get my desired look. So let's go ahead and get into her. All products and shades will be in my description box. This is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Oh, she is that girl. And I put this everywhere outside of my T-zone. Next, I am going to be taking the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And I apply this to my T-zone. After I prime, I like to go ahead and spray the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to go ahead and set. Once that is set, I like to take the Laura Mercier translucent powder and I apply this to my T-zone. This is actually a dupe of the Real Techniques brush. I got this from Shein for $1. I can link it down below, but I just tap the excess off. So my forehead. I use the Gummy Professional Edge Control. Actually, I pick it up with my hand. I start at the tail of my eyebrow first. Go up. I won't be around while you chase. I go straight across. That's one brow. You know what I'm saying. You'll try to come back when you faint. So I just take the same translucent powder, dab off the excess, and just set them again. I am going to be using the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Corrector. This is in the color Blood Orange. I always wanted to, but it's that I don't see. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Now that I am all color corrected, I am going to go with my old and trusty Estee Lauder Double Roll Foundation, and this is in the shade 7C1, Witch Mahogany. I have, if you know, you know. The girls that get it. And I have been putting y'all on and talking about this foundation since I got it. If you don't have it, I don't know why not. So I put the foundation everywhere that, everywhere but underneath my eye. I just tap, tap, tap. Make sure you bring it down your neck. Whatever is left on the foundation brush, I just go over my forehead. It has the prettiest finish. This is my skin, but better in a bottle. So freaking pretty. So now I'm going to take my concealer. This is the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 9. Once I place my concealer, I am going to let it dry down for about 4 minutes before I blend it out. So to cream, contour, and bronze, I'm going to use the Thread concealer. This is in the shade 11 Deep Warm. Do a couple dots. I love to use a powder puff. If you are not blending out your concealer with a powder puff, you're missing out. Always go back with your brushes to blend any harsh lines. So this is that same brush I used to blend out my bronzer, my cream bronzer. And I'm just using that to go ahead and get rid of the mark. See? Like, I am going to take that color corrector. Now pay attention. This color corrector as a blush eats down. I'm gonna just take 2 because she pigmented now. Blend up. If you want to take it underneath your eye, that is completely fine. Maybe I did a little too much, but just keep blending. Okay. And I blend up to give that more snatch look. I'm gonna set with a clean powder puff. I'm going to take the back of my hand, do like this to make sure I coat it evenly and set. So this is what I'm looking like so far. You can see the orange blush beautifully coming through. Now we're gonna do our powders. This is the Holy Grail. This is the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer. This is in Mocha Mami. Beautiful. Here, I really just like to go in here, bring it down. I'm going to use the Black Radiance contour palette. This is the dark to deep, and I'm going to go in with the darkest shade to go ahead and deepen. And we're now going to do the blush combo. This is from Metamorphosis. This is their Blushing Bubbles palette. Look at that. Look at how beautiful. 6 blushes for $20. Sign me up every time. I like to use these 3 right here. And I just do a little bit of everything. Boom, boom. They pigmented now. Boom. Literally so freaking pretty. Always gotta get the nose. The little nose for a little. It's now time to go ahead and set the masterpiece that you've created. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush setting spray. I'm going to go in with my infamous lashes. These are from Amazon. I will have them linked in the description box below. I get so many questions on what lashes I'm using. It's these. For $7, you know how long ago I bought this? I bought this at least 7 months ago. Apply them off camera just so I can focus, and I'll be right back. I am back and the lashes are done. I really love when my eyes pop. If you have big eyes, I highly recommend that you find your lash and you go ahead and hit it with that hit that waterline with that black liner. Girl, I can blink my way into a nigga pockets. Period. So now I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Easy Bake and Snatch Press Powder. This is in the shade Cinnabon. And this is just to brighten up a little bit. I'm gonna go in with a powder puff. Boom, 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 boom. Just apply her as so. This product, so pretty. We can finally take off this scarf. I love when we get to this step. We can take off this scarf. Oh yeah. I take a baby wipe and just. Now it's for my signature lip. I am going to take the Sephora Collection Molasses Lip Liner. Every brown or dark skin, every melanated queen needs this lip liner. I like to lightly overline my top lip just to get that little brats, you know. This is the Morphe lip gloss. This is in the shade Boho. Please tell Morphe to bring this back because the girls need it. Lastly, I'm gonna go over that with the e.l.f. Cosmetics lip plumping gloss. This is in the shade Pink Cosmo. But I don't wanna play your fair, yeah. Yes, ma'am. That makes me look at you too out there. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, so this is the completed look. This is my signature look. I do this look every time I want to be beat and serving face. So beautiful. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think of my look down below. Also, feel free to subscribe if you want to see more content. I love you guys so much, and I thank you guys for watching. Bye.